Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off call forwarding on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Using iPhone settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap phone. Tap call forwarding. If call forwarding is turned on, toggle it off. Method 2. Using dial codes. If you don't see the call forwarding option in your settings, you can disable it using a dial code. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Dial number 21 number and press the call button. You'll see a message confirming that call forwarding has been turned off. This method works for most carriers. Method 3. Contacting your carrier. Some carriers manage call forwarding settings on their end. If the above methods don't work, contact your mobile carrier, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. Ask them to disable call forwarding for your number. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn off call forwarding on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.